And mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. Far.
You could be affected by these AI weapons in a few years, no matter which country you are in. Let me show you how much danger these AI weapons pose. Today, in this era of technological revolution, that advantage comes in the form of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating and concerning world of AI weapons. 5 remarkable innovations that could reshape the very nature of warfare and potentially alter the course of history. The 5th weapon is as deadly as a nuclear weapon. What I am going to share might feel like a science fiction movie, but today it is available. Weapon number 1. AI robots, a fusion of science fiction and the modern battlefield. These mechanical marvels, be they robot dogs or humanoid machines, are no longer confined to Hollywood scripts. They are designed to infiltrate enemy lines, conduct reconnaissance, and even engage in combat. What's truly unsettling is their capacity to operate without human error. They're tireless, relentless, and can adapt swiftly to evolving scenarios, making them both deadly and unpredictable. The thought of machines deciding who lives and who dies in the fog of war is both terrifying and ethically complex. Their deployment could lead to unintended consequences and severe moral dilemmas. Companies like Boston Dynamics are making these kind of AI robots. Weapon number 2. AI drones. Next on our list is a creation straight out of science fiction, but with real-world implications. AI killer drones. Moving to the skies, AI drones are rewriting the rules of aerial warfare. These drones, be they for surveillance or armed military missions, are equipped with AI that allows them to identify targets, navigate through challenging terrain, and even make autonomous decisions in the heat of battle. Companies like Planter are making such AI drones. Imagine the implications. Drones that independently identify and eliminate targets, raising profound moral and ethical questions. Third weapon in the list is AI cyber warfare. Beyond the battlefield, AI emerges as a silent weapon in the form of cyber warfare. AI can craft convincing deep fakes, manipulate media content, and polarize minds, as seen in documentaries like The Social Dilemma. When AI's power to manipulate information intersects with the heightened emotions of warfare, it becomes a potent and dangerous catalyst. Polarization by social media is increasing every day. These algorithms can manipulate people's minds, which could lead other countries to interfere in the war, escalate it, and turn it into a world war. Fourth weapon. AI strategy, monitoring, and targeting. In the realm of strategic decision-making, AI plays an indispensable role. It excels at target recognition, threat monitoring, and analyzing colossal datasets, enabling swifter and more informed decisions on the battlefield. Real-time assessment and decisions. But it's imperative to maintain human control over these systems to prevent unintended consequences. Coming to the 5th and deadliest weapon. Bioweapons created by AI. Let's venture into the realm of AI and bioweapons. In a chilling incident in March 2023, researchers demonstrated how AI can conjure up designs for 40,000 hypothetical bioweapon agents in just 6 hours. It was so disturbing that they didn't even reveal that list of compositions. There could be a huge number of bioweapons that a few countries are holding, but we don't know yet. We don't know how many nuclear weapons North Korea has, but we are 100% sure it's possible to make bioweapons from AI. Our Dawn of AI team has created a short film on how AI weapons could have changed the Russian-Ukraine war. Check out the video in the I button. The potential for destruction and chaos is unprecedented, and the questions raised are profound. As AI weapons become increasingly integrated into the fabric of warfare, the ethical, moral, and practical implications grow ever more complex. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more thought-provoking content.